This is the welcome home back for the Winter Texans party. We're doing old Canada. Steak night, and it's raining, but we still grilled. I got grilled chicken. Say hi, everybody.
I had to take her to some of the concerts.
We've taken a walk. Beautiful day. Say hi.
Hi.
Everybody. We just took
I'm using Merlin. Merlin is an app that can hear the birds and tell you what they are.
Oh, that's perfect then.
So that's a northern cardinal and house sparrows we're hearing now.
That is a cool thing to have.
Stuff. Yep, Merlin is the app.
Merlin, never heard of it.
Yeah, Cornell University is the creator and administrator.
Very cool. So you don't have to not know what you're listening to. Got Lily with us, walking pretty much the whole way. Wait a minute.
See, it lights up, shows you what birds they are.
I can barely. Oh yeah.
Lights up yellow whenever it hears them, so you can get used to hearing what a cardinal when it's yellow and you hear it. Helps you identify them yourself.
Watch your head. That would hurt.
Yeah, I was watching it.
Yeah, wouldn't want you to stick your head into it.
Mm-hmm. Although I have done things like that before.
Well, I was here to warn you in case you lost it.
These are house sparrows mostly we're hearing.
House sparrows. They sound busy. Chirp, chirp. It's the first time I've ever walked all the way back here.
Well, the good thing is they have chairs for you to sit in here.
Yeah, nice.
Wrapped up for the walk back.
Like that's a whole new area.
Actually, it was here, but it's much more open now. It was just a narrow trail, but I guess the cows opened it up.
I think I will sit.
Yeah.
I'll go
Yeah, I plan on sitting down and watch the birdies for a little bit. The trash can has a wire across it. If you're careful, you can get the lid out of the way, and the inside is seed. So you can put seeds up in the feeders and all for empty.
Okay.
Which they are, so I'll go do that. Gets the birds more active.
I hope you're enjoying coming along on the walk with us. Actually, it was pretty easy to walk here. I just need to push myself. Jim's good that way. He wants to walk. Because if we're going to go on any hikes ever, I've got to build it up, you know? Yeah. Did you decide to come back? She's having a good time. She said, I'm tired. You better lay down, relax.
Big bully you.
Lay down. Thank you. She's enjoying the heck out of this. You hear the birds?
The outdoors is where I'm wrong.
Yeah, she needs to come out more. Okay, I'm going to start walking every day right here while the weather is beautiful, and it is beautiful. Like 72 degrees. Perfect. She's very aware. We've got green jays and sparrows, chocolatas. What else?
chickens.
Chicken. Oh yeah, and a couple big, huge chickens.
Oh, yeah,
there's
a
a green.
right there.
Was that a hawk?
Right there, he just went up in the tree.
Okay. I had to get Lily on the leash. There was actually a hawk who chased all the birds away. Because now it's quiet. Yeah, so we have to be careful of hawks. A little morsel like her.
Yeah, I don't see it now.
People come back here and hang out.
It landed right up in that tree, but I don't see it anymore.
Yeah, I don't know, but it definitely made the birds go away.
Yeah. Have chairs over here if you want.
I wanted to add something to the video. I really feel proud that I actually walked the entire bird sanctuary, which is really not that far. But last year I was here and I never did. I'm going to try to start walking daily while the weather is wonderful. I'm also thinking about joining Weight Watchers again, because even though I do wind up getting off of the program, it still helps me to motivate myself to start and lose like 20 pounds. And that's what I'm going to do. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to inspire others like myself that, you know, need a little push to get going. That's what I need. Jim's great. He wants to walk, and he has trouble walking. So we're both trying to build up, because there's so many parks around here, beautiful nature paths and stuff, that I want to be able to do it while we can. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up are always so appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And I do live streams twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 7:30 Central. Check out my Etsy shop. I got loads of necklaces for sale that I've handmade, and they're very beautiful. And take a look, right? The holiday season is really just right upon us. I don't know about you, but this month is speeding by. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.